Hey YouTube, I just want to do an introduction to me and my story. I was born June 1st, 1990. I was born and raised in South Carolina, been here for the majority of my life. I worked at a sushi bar, met Ray or through Twitter or something like that. And we started playing together, or we both gamed and we both started playing together. We started playing on Call of Duty and everything, so we started playing and it just took off from there. And we met up, and eventually I moved to Connecticut with him, and we stayed up there for about a year. And I found out I was pregnant when I was 21, and then I turned 22 like 2 weeks later. And we stayed up there for a while, and we decided that we wanted to move down here because it would be less expensive, and my family is down here. I just miss my family up there. I was about up there for a year, but I got pretty homesick, so we decided to move back down here. And I had my daughter on December 29th, 2012. She was born at 7 pounds, 1 ounce, 19.5 inches long. But there was a few complications with her birth. She was born not breathing, no heart rate, basically born dead. So she had to be resuscitated and everything. I had her through an emergency C-section. And after they got her heart rate and everything going, she went to NICU, and she stayed in NICU for 12 days. So it was a long 12 days, but overall everything went well. She got to leave earlier than they thought that she was going to have to be in there. And after we came home with the hospital, or after we came home from the hospital with Ari, she's been exclusively breastfed. While she was in the NICU, I was pumping and everything for her. So she's been breastfed since they started feeding her. And we came home. It took a while for her to get used to the breast and everything, but after a while she caught on to it because they were bottle feeding her there. But it was a little hard to transition her over to the breast, but after a while it worked out. She's been exclusively breastfed, still going strong, 4 months now, and I plan on doing it until she's at least 1, maybe longer. Not entirely too sure. To start introducing solids, I want to try the baby lead weaning method and see how that goes with her, if it works out for her. But I'm gonna wait until she's at least 6 months before I do introduce anything other than that. You see yourself? You see that baby? Look at that baby. Yeah, okay. Now she's gonna be a 4-month-old baby. So she's grown up really, really, really fast. And she's changed our world for the better. Like, I mean, I can't even think about anything like how my life was before, like without her. Like, she's just changed my whole world. But I'm gonna start doing videos about being a young mom and all the challenges that come with that. So just subscribe and follow us to see how our journey is. You wanna say bye, Ari? Say bye, Ari. You looking at my Skittles? Say bye. Say bye-bye, baby. You looking at yourself? Oh. Okay, I guess you said bye.